Welcome, Brainers! Is your C drive running out of space on your Windows PC or laptop? Do you want to use the unallocated space to extend your C drive? Is your extend volume option grayed out? If you said yes to any of these, then you've come to the right place. In this short video, I'll guide you step by step on how to effectively use your unallocated space. All right, let's jump straight into it. The default Windows Disk Management tool only allows you to extend a drive if the unallocated space is located immediately after the drive you want to extend. But don't worry, we're going to use a completely free disk management app called MiniTool Partition Wizard that can handle this for us easily. The installation steps are crucial. If you're not careful, you might end up with the trial version instead of the free one. So please follow along closely. I've added the direct download link in the description where you can search online and choose the official link at partitionwizard.com. Hover over the download option at the top right and make sure to select the free edition. Once it's downloaded, double-click the .exe file to start the installation. On this screen, choose Free Edition. This step is very important. We only need MiniTool Partition Wizard, so go ahead and uncheck any other pre-selected options. Great! We've successfully installed the free edition. Please go ahead and launch the app to get started. At the top, you'll see a list of all your partitions and any unallocated space. And at the bottom, you'll see a visual representation of the same. I prefer using the visual map. Right-click on the drive you want to extend. In my case, it's the C drive, and select Extend. From this drop-down, choose the unallocated space you want to use. Now, you must decide how much of that unallocated space you'd like to allocate to the C drive. You can adjust this using the slider right here. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click OK. In addition, I'd like to create a new partition from the remaining unallocated space. To do that, simply right-click on the unallocated space and choose Create. I'll use all of the remaining unallocated space for this new drive, so go ahead and adjust the slider accordingly. Click OK. Now, double-check all the changes we've done. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Apply button. Confirm the changes when prompted. This process might take some time, depending on your disk speed and size, so please be patient and don't cancel or interrupt it. Once all changes have been successfully applied, you can close any open windows. Now, let's validate the outcome in Windows Default Disk Management tool. Everything looks perfect. My C drive is extended, and the new drive that we created is also ready to use. I hope you found this helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.